Welcome to all of you. I, Dr. Anuradha Lad, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Extension Education, College of Agriculture, VNMKV, Parbhani. Today we will see Extension Program Planning. So first we will see different definitions of Extension Program Planning and its meaning. So first we will see what is meant by program. So program is nothing but it is a proclamation, a prospectus, a list of events, a plan of procedures, a course of actions prepared or announced beforehand, a logical sequence of operations to be performed in solving a problem. When there is a problem, there is a prepared plan in your hand for solving that problem. So that plan, that proclamation, that prospectus, that list of events, it is called as a program. So next is planning. This definition is given by Myerson and Banfield in 1935. So planning is designing a course of action to achieve the ends. Whatever your ends, for achieving that ends, your planning is designing a course of action, that is the planning. The next is program planning. This definition is given by J.S. Garg that program planning is a process in which outline of procedure of work is arranged as to enable efficient execution. For execution of your plan, you are going to outline a procedure of work. So that outline is called as program planning. So finally we can say that the program planning is composed of two words. First word is program, second word is planning. So program is the symbol of different activities, and planning is what should be done, how should be done, and why should it be done. That is the program planning. So next is extension program. This definition given by Kelsey and Harney in 1967. So extension program is a statement of situation, objectives, problems and solutions. So it is a permanent, but it requires constant revision. Means after some intervals of days, it requires the revision. That is the extension program. Now we will see the different steps in extension program planning. So there are totally 8 steps in extension program planning. There are 2 parts in extension program planning. In first part there is program determination, and the second part program implementation. So first 3 steps are completely comes under the program determination, and the 4 steps and the 8 steps it comes between the program determination and program implementation. It's the part of both. And the first step is collection of facts. For which area you are going to plan the program, so first collect the facts about that area. The next step is, after collection of facts, analysis of situation. For example, suppose you are going to plan the program for a village. So after collection of facts, first analyze situation of that village, whatever resources are available, what are the manpower are there. So analyze the situation. The next step, that is third step, is identify problems. There are so many problems. There may be social problems, economical problems, cultural problems. So you have to identify the problems in that particular area or for that particular village. The fourth step, it is the determination of objectives. So determination of objectives are the ends towards which our efforts are directed. So you have to find out or determine what are objectives of your program. So next step is develop plan of work. That is the fifth step. Which program you are going to plan? So develop a plan of work. When to done, how to done, where to done. Such plan have to prepare by you. The next is execute plan. Whatever plan you have prepared, execute that plan according to your program planning. The next step, seventh step, is evaluation of progress. After completion of your program may be successful or it may be failure. So whatever it may be, you just evaluate the progress of your program. If your program is succeed, no problem, it's well and good. But if your program failed, so try to find out the reasons behind that failure. And while going to plan to the next program, you just reconsider that for reasons behind that failure. That is the 8th step, reconsideration. Again, this cycle is continuous. After reconsideration, again you are going to collect the facts, again you are analyze the situation. So this is the continuous process, there is no end. So these are total 8 steps of extension program planning. Now we will move towards summary. So program planning is nothing but outline of procedure of work. An extension program is a statement of situation, objectives, problems and solutions. And there are total 8 steps in the extension program planning, that is collection of facts, analysis of situation, identify problems, determination of objectives, develop plan of work, execute plan, evaluation of progress and reconsideration. These are the 8 steps in extension program planning. Now these are some references related with this topic. So I hope you all understand this topic, and thank you for your patience listening. Thank you so much.